Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Go 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the issue that your speaker won't charge. So actually, even if you plug your cable into your speaker, it doesn't want to charge, and it doesn't even emit this light, which means that the cable is plugged in. You need to just perform a couple of tweaks. So the first thing, take a look into the charging port. As you can see, it's quite big, so we can easily take a look if we see some dust here. If you see any dust or some rubbish inside, anything, just try to clean it. Clean it with the non-metallic tool and the isopropyl alcohol. I've done it on my iPhone and everything is great now, even though I couldn't plug my cable in at all. So the first thing is of course the charging port. The second thing is the cable. Try to replace the cable, switch them, or just try to changing the power source, and everything should be nice. If you still can't do it, can't charge your speaker, you need to try to change the power brick and the power outlet. Try to switch, try to buy another one or anything else, try to change it in a different place, and if it still doesn't work, you need to contact device support because your JBL speaker may be just broken. Goodbye.